In this video, I would like to share to all of you about how to make an artistic wall partition. Anyway, first of all, you have to make a rectangle for the floor. Okay, and then you have to push it up with any thickness as you want. Okay, and then you have to make it group. And then you have to make a rectangle for the partition itself. Then you have to push it up around when it's around 3000 millimeter, and then you have to make it group. Then you can maybe you can adjust it anyway. Okay, and then you can move and press Ctrl to duplicate it. You can move again. You can move again. Then you can move again. Maybe you can move until 8 the column anyway. So and after that you can scale this by selecting this all of object. Then you have to using scale. Then you can make scale. Okay, and then you can adjust the design anyway. You can adjust the design until right here. Then you can with a line push and pull, and you can modify this all of check with line and another with the line and another tool like a push and pull tool anyway. And then you can follow this step for better result anyway. You have to using line and just adjust by move to the left on right side anyway to make it more dynamic. Okay, so you can adjust again. You can adjust the another side. You can adjust from the another side anyway. Okay, and then you can adjust one by one, so it will look more dynamic and artistic anyway. You can follow this step, and you can adjust the line. You can adjust the shape anyway to make great design from this line adjustment. And this is the last object. You can adjust again, or you can, and then you can see about the. And then now you can see about the design of the wall partition, which is so dynamic and artistic design, wall partition design. So for you as a beginner, when you trying to learn SketchUp, you can explore all of tool to make the simple but artistic and dynamic work. Okay, thanks for watching. Wait for my next video.